good. Oh, here. Oh, there you are. Well, I've checked out your system and it's in tip-top shape. Ready to run, as they say. By the way,
I'm Merlin, and I'm also here to help familiarize you with your NEC Ready system and Microsoft's Windows 95, already preloaded on your computer. I will also answer some of the most commonly asked questions people have when using a computer. But if you are an experienced Windows 95 user, you may want to skip my introduction by clicking the stop button below. Oh yes, and now, a word from our sponsor.
That's right! NEC wants to thank you for purchasing a Ready computer and assure you that your computer is one of the highest quality multimedia systems today, with the latest in features to make your computing experience easy and fun. This just in. Unbelievable! Big news, really big, because NEC has combined powerful hardware technologies and powerful software run by Microsoft's easy-to-use Windows 95. You're now ready to start!
Now, I would like to show you some basics about operating your new computer. If you don't know already, Windows 95 is a complete operating system. It's the link between you and your computer, giving you access to your NEC computer features quickly and easily. It also provides a host of accessories to help you get the most out of your system, so you can do everything from running CD-ROM titles to surfing the net with a simple click of your mouse. Both Windows 95 and your Ready computer are plug-and-play compatible, so all your components work together seamlessly. Cal? Thanks, Cal. Oh, you know, when I'm done here, giving you the nickel tour, the Microsoft Welcome screen will appear, and it can provide you with a more detailed tour of Microsoft Windows 95, navigation techniques, and where to find things. As you're probably well aware by now, having made the purchase of a Ready system, it's much more than just a PC. This background, or wallpaper, as we in the business call it, isn't just a passive pretty picture. NEC has designed this to be a living part of your computing experience. Here, let me show you. Trizzle, trazzle. Oh, never mind. Merlin, I know it's you. Now pick up! Please stand by for this brief commercial message.
If you haven't realized already, your NEC Ready system includes an incredible array of top-selling software, programs which are ready to start, allowing you to work, create, learn, play, and explore. What would you have paid? $200, $300, $500? No, more, because it is valued at over $1,500. And that's not all. There's more.
I think you get the point. Don't forget that if you ever need help,
just click on your NEC online documentation icon at the top of your screen.
We've set up all your documentation and help files in one convenient location for you to access and print.
Yes. Now I'd like to go over a few more points before I set you on your way. There we are. If you own or have purchased a printer, you'll need to tell Windows 95 and your Ready system what it is and that you have installed it. Finally, yes, I know, how to upgrade your system. Your Ready system comes with a wide array of options for expandability and upgradability. Your system memory or RAM can be upgraded to 128 megabytes. You can add additional hard disk drives and additional external devices into these bays, such as tape backup devices for secondary storage. You also have several slots for the addition of functionality, like scanner devices or PCI cards. So, you're ready for the future. The best way to have your system upgraded, by the way, is to consult your local NEC retailer. They can help you select the best options to suit your needs. Or call NEC to get more information on pricing and where you can purchase options at this number, 800 NEC Info. Well, I hope I didn't get too technical on you. If you'll excuse me.
It looks like my work is almost finished here. Oh, one more important point.
The NEC online registration is conveniently located on your Windows 95 desktop.
If your phone line is plugged into your modem in the back of your system, then you're ready to send in your information and make yourself eligible for your NEC warranty. If you're not hooked up, please register a little later by either hooking up a phone line to your Ready system and selecting the NEC registration icon on your desktop, or send in your paper copy registration found in your NEC accessory kit. Microsoft would also like you to register with them so they know you're a Ready user. Their registration is going to come up after ours as well.
Well, that ought to do it. Hope that covers it. Enjoy yourself. I know I will. And thanks.